The Razer BlackShark V2 Hyperspeed is one of the most versatile headsets, supporting both wireless and Bluetooth modes. Here's how to pair it across your devices. For PC, plug the USB-C dongle into your PC. Power on the headset. It auto-connects instantly. If not, press and hold the power plus connect button until it pairs. For PS4 or PS5, plug the dongle into the console's front USB port. Turn on your headset. PS5 will recognize it under Settings, Audio Devices, and then Output Device. Select Razer BlackShark V2 Hyperspeed. For Xbox, unfortunately, Xbox does not support third-party wireless dongles directly. You will need to use 3.5mm audio cable through the controller. For mobile, turn the headset to Bluetooth mode. Open phone Bluetooth settings, tap Razer BlackShark V2 Hyperspeed, and confirm pairing. Use the Razer Synapse or audio app to customize EQ, mic sensitivity, and side tone after connecting. Battery lasts around 70 hours per charge, among the best in its class. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.